Hi, I'm Jeff McGregor, CEO and founder of Wonks. Thanks for taking the time to learn about our flagship product, the Data Health Kit, or what we call the DHK. In its various forms over the past decade, we've sold over 1,200 DHKs and have empowered many more business owners and marketing staff to grow their leads and sales. Wonks has a range of solutions available to help you achieve your specific business objectives, but every one of our clients starts with the DHK. It's critical to understand how your website is performing by understanding the demographic profiles of the audience, how they arrived at your website. Was it from an ad? Was it organically? How are they engaging with the site? And whether they're completing actions on the site that your business deems important. We call those conversions. We also include some light brand advertising and competitor targeting, but I'll get into that. The DHK involves either creating or configuring the suite of Google products which provide invaluable information and allows you to make more informed business decisions. You can fine-tune your marketing strategy or website and if necessary gain a better understanding of how the user behavior impacts on your return on investment. Remember, measurement is the key. The DHK is designed to establish or upgrade the following key Google products to global best practice. Proxy email, we create a single Google account which you own. In fact, you own every account we create for you and we will not hold back access or charge you to release the information to you. If you choose to no longer work with us, we have a straightforward client exit process, the final step of which is to send you the master list with all of the account access and the Gmail account. For Google Analytics, we see it as a powerful insight tool to track and analyze and optimize your tactics based upon how users are interacting with your website. There is a goldmine of information which removes all of the guesswork about the efficiency of your site, allowing you to fine-tune your site and marketing strategy. The four key reports are audience, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. But we go far beyond the standard analytics data to ensure your business is empowered to be better. For Google Tag Manager, otherwise known as GTM, it's a tag management system that allows you to quickly and easily update tracking codes and related code fragments, collectively known as tags, on your website or mobile app. It has established itself as a critical component of the overall analytics infrastructure and is the best way of tracking user engagement on your site. If you don't have Tag Manager, you have to write code into the back end of your website each time, and it costs a lot of extra money to do so. This can be tedious and time consuming, but GTM makes it easy to manage. For Google Search Console, we are able to help businesses with their SEO. It allows you to maintain your website presence in Google Search and is the only place where you can receive direct feedback from Google about your site. It allows us to accurately assess your website search engine optimization, or SEO for those that know that term, and diagnose any potential flaws in your existing SEO profile. As the information is generated by Google itself, it is invaluable, even at a basic level, to benchmark the success of your website. The Google Ad Account. For many businesses who already have a Google Ad account, which is great, accounts accrue value over their lifetime as the quality score of the campaigns can lead to cheaper auction rates. Thus, we will always endeavour to use an established ad account. However, there are far too many instances of third-party companies not giving you your account. In that case, we'll create a new account for you, which comes with a $100 Kickstart credit. Google Remarketing and Custom Intent Audiences. Animated display ads on the Google Display Network are the most cost-effective method of extending your brand online. Remarketing ads follow users after they have left your website for a set period of time, normally shown to users 3 times a week and between 30 to 90 days they're kept in that list. Not only does it increase your brand awareness, but allows you to stay connected with your target audience with the goal of enticing them back to your site and converting them into a customer. We will also build a custom intent audience list. This list should contain no less than 50 keywords. Ideally, this will include a group of your competitors, but should also include all the terms you think are relevant to your product or service. By creating this list, any user who searches for your competition or your service product terms in the last 7 days will also see your ads on weather or news sites, as well as YouTube and millions of other web pages online. Greater brand awareness inevitably leads to higher conversion rates, and that means a faster return on investment and a lower cost per sale, not to mention boosting revenue as well. At approximately $1 per 1,000 impressions, it's unquestionably the most cost-effective online branding tool for companies. The total spend per month is normally less than $10. Included with the DHK, we designed the advertisement for the remarketing campaign, which you approved in draft form and have the ability to add or edit before we create the full set and set it live. Google Data Studio. As a part of the DHK package, we also create a Google Data Studio dashboard. This product transforms key information from Google Analytics, Google Ads, and Google Search Console into an informative and interactive live dashboard. The DHK takes between 4 to 6 weeks to complete, and though most technical configuration happens almost immediately, we take a period of time to build a statistically relevant data window. So what we report back on is meaningful and useful data for your business. Once your job is onboarded into our system, we assign a project manager who will be your main point of contact from the time you begin working with us. They will deliver insights about your data and will help guide you to make the best digital investment decisions that leads to more leads and sales. The Data Health Kit is a one-off investment. There is no ongoing monthly fees involved whatsoever. You will of course have to pay Google directly for the remarketing advertising, but as I mentioned before, this is around $10 per month for the remarketing campaign. There is no further obligation to continue working with us. However, a vast majority of the clients do move forward with a project. A project aligns business objectives and website KPIs and is planned out with your dedicated project manager, who takes the data from the DHK and matches that with your own business objectives. For example, this could be tracking further channel activity, growing leads or revenue, user engagement, or lifting return on ad spend from your advertising. It could also look at digging further into e-commerce success. We seek partnerships with our clients, and we want to make sure that your business grows. But we also want to educate you and transfer knowledge to you and your team to help you understand the various Google tools that will benefit your business aspirations. In summary, we take a collaborative approach to establish your business objectives, set measurement through your website, and offer methods of increasing lead generation and revenue. We focus on a return on investment for your business, looking at conversions and real leads, not clicks, impressions, or vanity metrics. Thanks for watching, and I hope we get the chance to work with you.